Hit it. Okay, baby be calling me Hercules, cause the H on my waist, but this bitch here stand for Hermes.
This car is super loud. What's up guys, it's your boy Catback with another video. Today we have a couple things going on. It should be a really fun day. I ordered my Catback about 2 months ago. Finally came in. I bought this exhaust about 2 months ago and it finally came in yesterday. I don't know if you guys ever heard of import image, or I don't know if you guys have ever heard of the company Import Image Racing. I ordered my ISR Catback with the white pipe. The reason why it took so long is because the white pipe was in back orders, so they had to place the order and get it to them, and then for them to get it to me. So I finally got all that yesterday. We're gonna go to my dorm. I'm currently at my girlfriend's apartment. Yes, I have a girlfriend now. So we're gonna go back to my dorm, unbox these two things, and it should be a lot of fun. I'm installing it today too. The video for that should be out after this one, probably 2 or 3 days after this one. So that would be a lot. That's going to be a lot of fun. Let's get on the road because I need to be over there. And I'm going to do it at the hobby shop. So they open at 9. They do open at 9, so I have to be there a little early because sometimes the line does get a little long in the morning. People go early in the morning and try to get a spot. So I'm gonna go today. So yeah, let's go. Don't know, I am running no muffler. I don't know if I don't think I made a video on that, but I completely took my muffler, so I've been out without a muffler for about 3 or 4 months, and it's just super loud and raspy, and I do not like it. But it does change up the sound of the car, which is why I did it. I just wanted something different, but with this Catback, it should sound really, really nice. I wanted to go with the Tomei, but that's so expensive. So it's about $1,000 for that exhaust, and I wasn't trying to drop that much right now. I will eventually get it because it is my dream exhaust, I guess. But this Catback would do. I did buy the ISR Y pipe and the Catback, so it should sound really nice. And I already have ISR non-resonated test pipes. I don't know if you guys can hear me because my car's a little loud, but I'm gonna have a full ISR system, which should sound really good. The Catback does bring a huge resonator, so that should quiet it down by a lot, but it will still sound nice. I feel like really nice, really, and not too much drone, because if you hear it, so loud. I like it sometimes, but once you step on it, it just sounds so nasty, and I hate it. That's why I never like stepping on it, because it just sounds, don't ever do this. Basically straight pipe with no muffler, which sounds horrible in my opinion. It's too loud, it's too annoying, too obnoxious. So let's do this. I'm about to get into the dorm, so I'll catch you guys when I get there, and we'll do an unboxing of the Catback and the white pipe. So we got the two boxes here. The Catback is in here and the white pipe is in here. Let's get to unboxing these because I have to go in about 10 minutes, so I'm gonna have to do this real quick. Give me one second. It has my name on it. We got a sticker. Import Image Racing, check them out. Not sponsored by them, so this is not paid. Ooh. They hooked it up. More stickers, a freaking lanyard. Pretty dope. So it comes with the gaskets, bolts, and so this is the white pipe. It looks so clean. I don't know if I want to open it just because I have to take it with me. I might be able to open it. So the reason why I got a white pipe is because in the NISMOs, at least from 09 to I think 14, it comes with the, I guess you would call it like a X pipe, which doesn't work with single exit exhaust. So I had to buy this in order to have the Catback installed. So that's why it took about 2 months for this to come in. So let me open it real quick. So clean. Ugh. So I do have the non-resonated test pipes, which will connect to those right there, and this white pipe looks so clean. Of course, the ISR performance. Dope. Onto the Catback. This is probably what I've been waiting for, because I have no muffler and it sounds horrible, so I hope this helps it. By the way, these are packaged pretty good. Apparently this is stuff on there. Damn. Like I said, it's pretty good. Man. Of course, comes with the gasket and bolts that I will need. So this is the only thing that I'm worried about. This is a big resonator. I hope it doesn't quiet it down. I don't want it too loud, but I also don't want it too quiet. So this should help it. It looks really, really good. This is the ISR Performance. Again, I'm not sponsored, but you know, if you guys are watching this, sponsor your boy. So nice. I guess welds are so good. And yes, guys, I'm sweating. I'm trying to do this fast, but so compared to the Tomei, this is a heavier just because it's stainless steel, but oh my god, this is literally what I've been waiting for 2 months. This thing is huge. I can literally fit my whole fist in here. So good. So that's going to be the video for today, guys. The unboxing of the Catback and the white pipe ISR Performance. I will be installing this today, so stay tuned for that. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and follow your boy on social media. Peace.